Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Synthesia account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the HTML embed code for your Synthesia video? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want the HTML embed code for your Synthesia video anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing videos with Synthesia, you know that oftentimes you want to post it into your website and you need the HTML embed code. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Synthesia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Synthesia account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need the HTML embed code to one of your videos, here on the left, click on videos. Once you do that, you're going to see all the videos you have in Synthesia. So just choose the one that you need the embed code for. So for example, this one. And there's a few different ways you can do this. The easiest way is to hover over the video and then click on these three dots. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on the published button. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up and you want to click right here, copy embed code. Another way you can do this is just click into the video itself. Once you click into the video, you're going to be in the editor, and on the top right, you're going to click on published. And as you can see, it's the same pop-up, just click on copy embed code. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get the HTML embed code to your Synthesia video, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.